Ever wondered how to keep your best Instagram post at the top of your profile? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to pin and unpin post on Instagram in just few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Then tap on your profile from the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your profile page. Now, tap on the post you want to pin. Once you're on the post, tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on the Pin to your profile option to pin the post. If you want to unpin the post later, just tap on the three-dot menu again. Finally, tap on the Unpin from Profile option to remove the pin. And that's how you can pin and unpin post on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss our upcoming videos.